Our nature walk. Walking along, we found Maryanne on the trees. Tree we love to swing on.
To a boy. Lovely tree in the forest.
I also found these really pretty bushes.
Christmas tree. This on our way.
This tree ran into it.
Another into some fresh dates. Bubble.
Blackberry bush, but they're not grown yet.
To some beautiful flowers.
These beautiful pink flowers. They might look white in the video, but they're really pink. Kind of tree.
It looks like palm leaf.
Yeah.
The same boys.
These are white.
These are just white versions of the pink ones we showed earlier. Third berry bush.
Back, wait, step back.
On! See? Ta-da! More. Ta-da!
And some girls. These beautiful roses.
These ones as well.
Lavender and
To a girl filling a bottle of fuchsia bloom spray.
here.
Ran into a dog.
To these flowers.
Still playing koala. Maple leaf. To this ditch.
This was the end of our nature walk.
We might show you a few more of our favorite flowers that we forgot to show you.
A puddle walking home. Okay, now we're definitely done.
Spoiler alert, there's bloopers in this video.
Bye, hope you had fun. Like and follow and share.